is going on, YouTube? About to open up 2 fossil packs, but first, a friend of mine brought over some pretty cool PSA cards, and I wanted to display them for you. We got a Gold Star Alakazam, PSA 7. What can be better than that? 2, and one's in a PSA 9. How about that? Also got a little Happy Swirl right here. Pretty awesome cards. Another Gold Star, Jolteon, PSA 7. Also a gorgeous card. Then we got a Mudkip, PSA 3. It's in pretty good shape for a PSA 3, I'd say. Transfer that over to Beckett, maybe even a Mint 7. All right, opening up 2 fossil packs. All right, we got a difficult one to start off with. So far, when they've been difficult, I have not enjoyed what comes out of them. Well, I mean, I enjoy it every single time, but not as much as the buttery packs. All right. So far, just a minor stress line right here. Looks pretty solid other than that. At least on the back. Glide on through these. It's looking like a Hitmonlee or a Aerodactyl. Again, back to back. This one does have a little dot right here that I'm seeing. That'll come off. Yep. Oh, I'm pretty sure that'll come off. Yeah. Cool. Right on. Pack 1 in the books. In the sleeve. Last pack. I think I've pulled, I don't know, 5 or 6 Aerodactyls so far. Hopefully one gets to 10. We'll find out. Not this summer, but next. All right. Card's looking nice. Good centering too. Love to see it. Seeing some weird, let's see if I can zoom in. Some weird like waxy film on this card here, but that is not the holo. But it is weird to see that. It's kind of like a little spider web or something on both sides. It's actually like damage for sure to that card. Actually, it's on all these cards right here, going all the way back. But hopefully not on the holo, which is another Aerodactyl. This one's looking really nice. I'm not seeing anything wrong with this one. PSA 10 candidate. Let me know what you guys think. Potentially a PSA 10 candidate. If you guys, sometimes you guys see something that I don't, especially, you know, in the moment, it's very easy to relive it, especially when you guys got slow motion. Right on, double Aerodactyls. I'll take it. Peace out, YouTube.